Is Pibank a real bank? That's a question I've seen popping up quite a bit lately, and honestly, it's a fair one to ask. In a world where new financial platforms and digital services seem to appear overnight, it's natural to be curious and cautious about where you entrust your hard-earned money. So, let's dive in and get to the bottom of this. What exactly is Pibank? For those who might not be familiar, Pibank is a financial institution that has been gaining traction, particularly in certain regions. You might have seen their name mentioned in connection with savings accounts, term deposits, or perhaps even digital banking services. Their online presence has been growing, and they've been actively promoting their offerings. Now, the crucial question: is it legitimate? Is Pibank a real, regulated bank? The short answer, based on available information and official records, is yes, Pibank is indeed a real and regulated bank. Pibank operates under the legal and regulatory frameworks established for financial institutions in its jurisdiction. This means they are subject to oversight by the relevant financial authorities, which are in place to protect consumers and ensure the stability of the financial system. These regulatory bodies set standards for capital adequacy, operational practices, and customer protection, and banks like Pibank are required to adhere to these standards. To verify this, one can typically look for official registration and licensing information. Reputable banks are usually listed on the websites of their national or regional financial regulators. A quick search on the website of the relevant banking authority in Pibank's operating region should confirm their license status. This registry serves as a public record of authorized financial institutions. Furthermore, established banks like Pibank often have a physical presence, even if they heavily emphasize their digital services. While the banking landscape is evolving and many institutions are embracing online-only models, a history of physical branches can often provide an additional layer of reassurance. Checking for publicly listed addresses and contact information can be another step in verifying legitimacy. It's also worth considering the types of financial products and services Pibank offers. Do they align with the typical offerings of a regulated bank, such as insured deposits, lending services, and secure payment processing? Examining their product portfolio and the terms and conditions associated with them can provide further insight into their operational structure. Of course, in today's digital age, it's always wise to exercise caution. Scammers and fraudulent entities often mimic legitimate businesses. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure that you are interacting with the official Pibank website and not a deceptive imitation. Look for security indicators like HTTPS in the website address bar, and be wary of unsolicited emails or messages asking for sensitive personal information. Always access the bank's website directly through your browser rather than clicking on links from unknown sources. While it's always prudent to do your own due diligence, the available evidence strongly suggests that Pibank is a legitimate and regulated banking institution. Their operations are subject to the oversight of financial authorities, and they offer a range of banking products and services. However, remember to always stay vigilant and prioritize your online security when dealing with any financial institution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.